Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to this video. Inshallah, we're gonna do task 18a, page 363. Inshallah, we're gonna import a file that's called Doggy Davis Motors. This is the garage name, and the file database named cars.csv. So, Bismillah, let's start. I got on chapter 18 folder, and I suggest for you make a folder and name it work area. Okay, work area. This is where we're gonna save our work files on it. Right click, new, and then Microsoft Access database. We work with databases. Okay, so let's create it. To import the file, go to external data, go to new data source, file from, and then go text file, file from, text file, and then you have to browse where did you save your file. I already saved it in desktop, chapter 18, cars. The file name cars.csv. Yes, it's here, cars. And then I open it, and then I click OK, and then next. And then you have to make sure that tick on the first row contain field names. We need always to check the field names. So have to make sure that you tick on this option, and then next. You can see that the field name appear. Next. I can let Access add a primary key automatically, or I can choose my own primary key. So let me let Access add the primary key, and then I go next, and this is the car table name, let it car, and I import it. This is my file. As I can see, it appear here, cars. Double click to open it. I got the table, cars. To edit it, I can go to view, go back to home tab. We was in external data tab, go back to home tab, go to view, and then you may go to design view from here. Or you can do a right click over here, and then you can switch to design view. Both work. Now I need to edit my data a little bit. Who manufactured the car? Who manufactured the car? He asked me using Settables database package. Some field names are inappropriate, so I have to change the field names. I have to rename it. Okay, so instead of who manufactured the card, I can type make. Who make the car? Make. And instead of model, leave model as it is, color as it is. Price, I can of course resize change the brightness of the cells. Price, I can remove this text. I can say B price, bold price. And instead of price that we sell the car for, I can just write S sell price. Instead of that, I can type S. Oh, sorry. I can type capital S for price, selling price. Okay, here and then extra, and then does the car need to clean? We can name this field valid. Okay. So I need to change my file types. ID automatically added. Of course, remember that we take this option. Microsoft Access can add the ID automatically. Who make the car? Make it as it is. I can make it long text if you love to. Model, also make it short text. Color short text. B for price. I need to adjust this one. The bold price and the selling price supposed to be like currency. Okay, so I can change the data type to currency. This one also to currency. Year, debit number, extra, short text, and the wallet, make it like, should I clean the car or not? So we can make it like yes or no, the Boolean data type. So you can make it yes or no. I need to adjust the currency. Okay, the currency should be adjusted like the currency. You may add another field as a primary key. Okay, it's supposed to be like currency with 2 decimal places for the price that we bought the car for and the price that we sell the car for. So it's numeric, currency, and 2 decimal places. So I can adjust it from here, the field properties, the format supposed to be like euro. Let's make it euro. and decimal places like 2 decimal places. So I go to number 2, going to be adjusted like that. Be price done. Let me go to sell price. Also, I have to format, like make it euro, and the decimal places like 2 decimal places. Okay, here we go. The valid supposed to be like Boolean. It's supposed to be shown like true or false, or yes or no. It's going to be good. Yes or no. I can save my sheet, like right click on it, save it. The shorten size. Okay, yes. I think I can switch back. Okay, let me say yes. I think I need to adjust this. Here we go. I think we're done. I can check that the ID added automatically to each card because I set Microsoft Access to do it. And I got B price and S price, the year, extra, valid, to the model card, the color, everything adjusted over here. So everything is done. I have to make sure that I save my file, save the database, and I may name it Task18a. So right click on it, rename, right click on the table over here, and then rename. I have to close it first before I rename it. Okay, let me close it. And now I may be able to rename it. I'm gonna name it Task18a. Cars. Underscore cars. Cars table. Here we go. Thank you so much for watching. Also, don't forget to save your file, the whole database sheet file. Save as. I'm gonna name it Task18a also, and I'm gonna save it in my work file. Thank you so much for watching. See you inshallah in the next task.